Hi everyone, welcome to 360 HRM, a human resource management solution. In this video, I'm going to talk about incident management and the quick and efficient process for gathering critical data after an incident has occurred. Let's log in. We are logging in as manager John Smith. John's employee has recently had an incident. John needs to capture that data. He moves to the left-hand side of his screen under Incident Management, clicks on the drop-down arrow, and clicks on New Incident. The employee who recently had an incident is Jenny Left. John selects his employee. We know this is Jenny's left information because Jenny's picture or image appears along with her credentials. John begins to enter the information Jenny has shared with him. The accident took place at Green Hills Avenue. The good thing about this software is when we enter incorrect spelling, it quickly prompts us with a red line. We correct this by entering an N. Next, the date that the accident took place. This accident took place on Friday, the 18th of September. We can either enter the time by physically punching it in using our keystrokes, 5:30, or conversely, we can always use our time clock and pick PM. Let's switch it around, 5:30 PM. Wonderful. Next, did the incident occur on the company's premises? If the answer is no, then that's the only question we'll be required to answer. Conversely, if we respond as yes, then there are additional questions that we are going to be prompted to respond to. Have you notified the company? Yes, we have. Additional questions again, who have we notified? In Jenny's case, she notified her manager, John. So John can actually enter his name in this position and his contact number 345-6789. Next, we want to know if the incident, how did the incident occur? We can say that boxes in the warehouse fell on Jenny / employee, to be very specific. Is there a written statement? We can say no. Conversely, we can also say yes. If we say yes, we now need to either type in the written statement or we can attach a document. In this case, we are going to attach a document, and here's our witness report. It's attached to the section, so we need not enter any further details, or conversely, we might have two witnesses where one may be able to send us a document and another we may have to enter their statement here. The witness's name, Peter Hart. And what parts of Jenny's body were affected? Her neck and head. Has Jenny been sent to the for medical attention? If we click on no, then no further questions are provided. If we click on yes, then we are prompted to enter additional information. The name of the institution, Great General Hospital, and the address of the institution. We can say Peter Street, California. And now this is a critical part that the manager himself must answer. After doing an analysis of the information that Jenny has provided, John must now make an assessment for the reason for the accident. If it's an unsafe act, John must now checkbox which one of these contributed to it being an unsafe act. It was an unsafe loading of the boxes, we can definitely say that she was taking an unsafe position and perhaps even failure to use her PPE equipment, personal protective equipment. There is nothing in this section that requires checkboxing, so we can leave it blank. And finally, John, as the manager, can now make an assessment. He can say, Jenny did not use all available precautionary measures. And save the incident. We know that the incident has been processed because it says good job and successfully made the change. We close, and the next step is for this incident to be sent to HR for review. We are now looking at HR. HR now goes to the left-hand side of the screen under Incident Management and clicks on Staff Incidents. Under Staff Incidents, she sees the new entry just made by John. The employee is Jenny Left. For point of reference, HR can easily see who Jenny Left is, where the location took place, the date, as well as the time. And she sees that it's awaiting HR's approval. HR can now click, and all of the requisite information is shown. Who the employee is, the attached document with the witness statement, as well as all of the information entered by John. HR reviews, and once HR is satisfied, HR can now click on Viewed. If HR is dissatisfied, she can deny the incident. In this instance, we will allow HR to click on Viewed, which means that the incident has been accepted and the company will take liability for what has taken place. What you would notice is if we return to the manager, John Smith, and we click on Incident, Staff Incidents, once again, we will see that Jenny's incident has been viewed. So now John knows that HR has seen it in addition to it being accepted. At this point, all resources receive email notifications for each step in the workflow for incident management process to ensure real-time status updates and ensure pending activities and actions immediately. I hope this video was useful and thank you for watching.